Right. You all know that there are quite a good number of video sharing platforms entering into the modern economic transformation market, like TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Viscuit, Twitch, among others. But here is the question: will all these video sharing platforms withstand the test of time? We will look into that. Of recent, YouTube has introduced YouTube Shorts, a feature that allows you to share videos shorter with portrait frames, 60 seconds downward. This has posed a challenge to TikTok, which has taken over the market of short videos. Many people thought that TikTok would stay alone in the game of short videos, but with the coming of YouTube, who are the owners of Gmail, it poses a real challenge. It is worth remembering that YouTube is owned by Useski, a parent organization of Google, and for you to have a YouTube account, you need to have the Gmail account. It's also worth remembering that most Android devices, like Chromebooks and Android smartphones, uses Gmail as their default security account. Therefore, in most cases, YouTube comes as a default video sharing platform. Therefore, it is more easier for someone to get to know YouTube than other platforms because they are built in those devices. If we look at YouTube tags, many people, especially viewers, may not understand this, but the YouTube creators, the content creators, may easily understand. For you to share your video, you need to tag it. By tagging, is like classifying your video to which categories in the feeds should those videos show. So this one, the important is it limits your videos from staying out of the algorithm. Even if you post your video in 2010, in 2022, someone liking the same category of that video will still be able to find that video easily using artificial intelligence, which cannot be found in other platforms. Then there is also post. It may look simple or it is simple to hear, but the introduction of YouTube post is a big blow to the rest of our social media like Facebook and Twitter. This is because if YouTube decides to move to a fully social platform, maybe by introducing a messaging feature, then I think Facebook and Twitter will have a big challenge because people will be able to share the post directly and you send message to your friend. I mean, imagine the world's biggest video sharing platform turning into a social media where someone can post the photo maybe of in a new. Currently it's only squared videos which are allowed, but in future they may bring in videos of all sizes. That will pose a great challenge. Another factor that we should look at is the broad spectrum of the niche. YouTube has not specialized its niche, just like Twitch has done. You can share games, you can share entertainment, news and politics, science and technology, how-to and styles, animations and films, music, and much more on the same platform. So any creator can easily hop into YouTube. Unlike Twitch, where you strictly need to be a gamer for you to share your videos. And there are much more other factors that still makes YouTube the best, like the financial policy, how they reward the creators. It is more trustworthy to advertise on YouTube, and thus it is more trustworthy to be a publisher on YouTube. Even the content policies and community guidelines, copyright adherence. YouTube cannot allow you to infringe on someone's right easily. It cannot also allow you to abuse, like for example, posting pornographic movies or nudity contents. It's against that. Of recent, it's a must for you to indicate whether the video is made for kids or not, to abide by the Californian Kids Privacy Act. All this makes the future of YouTube very bright. Many countries around the world, many people around the world are believing that TikTok will challenge YouTube. But I'm here to tell you that it's not the case. In any case, if USA decides to work against TikTok like they did to Huawei, then that can drastically mark the end of it. But if you need short videos, it's already there in YouTube Shorts. If you need long videos, it's supported. If you need to embed a video, share a link, comment, like, any other, they are all in YouTube.